Welcome back for day 10 in our 31-day series of out-of-the-box genealogy tips. Hi, I'm Lisa with Are You My Cousin, and I'm here to try and take the overwhelm out of your genealogy research. If you've been following along with me so far this month, we are up to our 10th genealogy tip. I'm doing one tip a day for 31 days. So, day 10, guys, your tip is to further your DNA education. Now, this is an area that I myself really continue to strive to learn more about because DNA is an incredibly popular topic right now in genealogy, and rightly so. It needs to go along with our paper research so that we can continue to help and try to break through those genealogy brick walls that we all seem to have. But there is a steep learning curve to DNA and how it relates to genealogy, and that's okay because there are a lot of options that we have out there for furthering our DNA education. Now, one of the great places to go is actually YouTube, guys. There are some fabulous educational resources here on YouTube for learning more about DNA. Now, the big companies such as Ancestry's DNA, Family Tree DNA, all those, they have videos on YouTube. They will run series that will help to interpret the results that you might get from their testing kits there. You can also find them typically on their websites as well, which is another great place, is to go to the testing companies' websites and look for their tutorials there as well. Now, a couple other things to think about when you're looking for DNA help on YouTube. I would recommend the Family History Fanatics channel. They have some fabulous DNA videos, and they tend to break it down very easily and make it very understandable. So I would absolutely recommend that you look for that. When you are also looking for more DNA education, I would very much encourage you to look for a conference to go to. Now, I realize that involves travel, and you may not be able to travel, but let me tell you, a number of conferences are now doing live streaming of sessions, so that's a possibility, so you wouldn't have to actually travel if that's not an option for you. There are also e-conferences that are going on out there so that they can be watched and viewed live actually, or on replay from the comfort of your own home. So again, you wouldn't necessarily have to travel. So those are some of the places that I would look as you continue to learn more about DNA and how it could apply to your genealogy research. Check those out. I'll have a link to the post that goes along with this video in the description below, where you can find a little bit more information and other places that you might go to find educational resources for your DNA, for learning about DNA. All right, guys, have a great day. And before you go, if you don't mind hitting the subscribe button down below, I don't want you to miss any videos that I add here to YouTube in the coming weeks and months. Bye.